The Samsung Stackable electric dryer with steam cycles is packed with features tailored to your style. Toss in large or small loads and choose from 14 preset drying cycles. Multi-steam technology gets rid of wrinkles, odors, bacteria, and static. The refresh, wrinkles away, and sanitize cycles use the power of steam, so clothes come out perfectly ready to wear. Keep exercise gear in prime condition with the active wear cycle. With the included drying rack and rack dry option, you can safely dry items like sneakers and stuffed animals without high-impact tumbling. The time remaining display keeps track of drying time so you don't have to, and the see-through door makes it easy to monitor your laundry during a cycle. Sensor Dry technology keeps track of moisture levels and adjusts drying time so clothes come out dry instead of damp. And with Samsung's Smart Care app, you can get quick solutions. Samsung's black stainless steel stackable electric dryer with steam cycles offers the ultimate in drying power.